Breaking news, ladies and gentlemen. A young American fugitive, Matthew Pinnock, has been arrested in Greenvale, Manchester, Jamaica, and has been held under the Extradition Act. We're going to talk about that. Greetings, family and friends. Thank you for tuning in. I'm Rastafari, soldier here of Deep Roots TV. A young fugitive, 18-year-old Matthew Pinnock, has been arrested and held, ladies and gentlemen, under the Extradition Act. It appears that member of the JDF Fugitive Apprehension Team Special Operation conduct a early morning operation in Greenvale. That was on Wednesday, ladies and gentlemen, November 23rd. Matthew Pinnock, 18, is wanted on provisional warrant arrest under the Extradition Act for various offenses, including attempted murder, conspiracy to commit murder, robbery, assault, crime, possession of weapon, reckless endangerment, and other charges. Sound like him a real wanted man. Reports are that police team went to the premises in Greenvale, where the house was searched and Pinnock was found hiding. He was subsequently transported to Kingston, where he is remaining in custody. He is set to appear in front of the Kingston St. Andrew Parish judge on Friday, November 25th, where I'm sure he will be flown out swift. Because as soon as the U.S. Embassy hear about this, one, Matthew Pinnock, I feel him picture them I go pin up on the wall. Imagine, it appears that Jamaica has become a safe haven for criminals all over the world. Remember, Jamaica was the base of the pirates. The things you know story. That's why I tell you, a whole heap of cereal in a Jamaica. And I'm not talking about Cheerios. No, here you have a 18-year-old, started young, from way up in a foreign New York, a matter of fact. They said that they wanted him. He was arrested during a pre-dawn operation by the Jamaican Fugitive Apprehension Team, JFAT, T, and the C-TOC. It's a special operations that combined work of high intelligence and forensic. Tracking him down wasn't easy, the Jamaican Constable Force said, but we are sure that we got another criminal off our street. I mean, we need some more cameras. We need some more tracking device. Well, at least that the people them must say. Because you can't commit crime and want freedom like how Jamaicans have it a run upon them mind. Here it is. All the little 18-year-old foreign know so them can run and come to Jamaica come hide. A joke thing. But me give thanks. Say Jamaican police a work with some pride. Say them snatch him off of the street before him create a fratricide. More life, more joy, more happiness. I'm Rastafari, soldier, ladies and gentlemen. I'm elated, happy to hear that Jamaican Constable Force is doing the most that they could do to decrease the crime. Because here you have a young youth from New York run away, and they're right close to my line. Alright, that's why Galderville, right at Greenvale, him there, Manchester. Me glad them have him now at Kingston. At least, him can do all of them things that we do in New York. Because them say, him did wanted for murder, conspiracy to murder, robbery, assault, criminal possession of a weapon, and reckless endangerment among other charges. Me glad him get hold. Dip him real quick, wholeness. Deport him to foreign. Enough of them. Forget deport of me good island. Enough of we them deport down here. Bless upon yourself. Subscribe, like, and share. You know I'm Rastafari soldier. Yeah, Day Approach TV, Real Youths TV. You hear? Deport him. Get rid of him. Good riddance to bad rubbish.
From them mix with the fire, them have to mix with the lightning. Them mix with the lightning, them have to mix with the thunder. Them mix with the thunder, them got to mix with the rain. And let's so black people put the wicked them under. Hey Babylon, me see them a fret and them a wonder. Who flashy like them and who roll the thunder. Deep root flashy like them and him roll the thunder. Babylon, me see that them a panda. Look how much of the youth them well them shit like look how much them put under. How much of the youth them well them send a dove cut ya. Where Babylon the fire burn no longer. Babylon the proofs for that say you can't turn ya. Fire king, Rasta man and a real fire king. Whoa, fire king, Rastafari soldier real fire king. Yeah, balalang man,
Pick up TV, respect, make sure to tune in the year, every time.
Yes, sir, you don't know. I and I some culture, big enough, Deep Roots TV.
Big up Deep Roots